Welcome to Surf and Turf Family Adventures, where I'm learning to use a lathe today. I found this Delta Milwaukee lathe in a Connex building, and I pulled it out, grabbed a piece of poplar, put it in it, and just started rounding it over with this roughing gouge. The whole time I'm freaking out. The sound of the gouge hitting the wood was freaking me out. I wasn't sure if I was doing it right. I don't really know what I'm making at this point, but I know that I'm trying to make this square block round. And so I'm just taking little bits of it and it feeling like it's going pretty good. And I'm gonna switch tools a little bit and just round this thing over. This time, I think I'm doing pretty good. I found this flat tool. I rounded it over. I'm feeling like, man, I think I can do this. I made this square block round. So I think, well, I'm gonna put a couple of shapes in it, and I grab this tool, and obviously I don't know what I'm doing because I've got the tool wrong. It's supposed to be flipped the other way, and I figure that out, and flip it over, and make a groove, and I'm like, oh, that's what this does. And then I just go ahead and just start putting grooves in it over and over and try to make it even on both sides. But my first piece, and I'm feeling pretty confident at this point. Trying to move this thing out of the way. I don't know why it does this. And I'm going to go ahead and start sanding it. Start with 120, and I switch to 240. And I'm still pretty afraid to get my fingers too close to this. Now I'm just trying to split this thing in half. So I grab this tool. I still don't know what it's called. Try to split it in half, and then I grab a saw, and I think, well, I'll just try to cut it apart this way. But it starts getting bound up because of all the pressure from both sides. And so I eventually stop and just cut it by hand. And I finished it. There, I got that square piece of wood, turned it around, put some grooves in it. And thanks for watching this first ever lathe video. And Surf and Turf Family Adventures. I hope you have a great day. And thanks for watching.